together each month. This is our K2 Wonder Lab. And this is our pre-K playground where our kids love to play. We have an amazing arts program here at Shaw, and one of our specialties are ceramics. We are one of the only elementary schools that have a kiln, and each student in our school gets to create special creations each year using clay.
Thank you so much for coming and joining us at Shaw today.
We have such a special school family here. We have the best teachers, students, and parents, and we would love for you to come and join us.